All right. Yo, chat. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Chatty chat chat. Hold on. Let me get this shared real quick. Get it shared out real quick. Bang, bang. All right. Bang, bang. There we go. What's up, chat? Daniel. More rice. Hola. Hola, 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 hola. Update. Upstate futures. Holy. G-Man. Holy. The gang's here. The gang is here, baby. The gang is here. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Holy, we're ripping, chat. We are ripping an Asia stream tonight. We are absolutely ripping an Asia stream. It's been a minute we've done an Asia stream, huh? It's been a little bit. It's been a minute, chat. It was great news. We'll see you often on TRADEIFY TV. Yes, I will be live on TRADEIFY TV 4 days a week, baby. 4 days a week at 10:30 Central Time. We'll be ripping some streams over there 4 days a week, which is cool. I really like this because, chat, listen, I'm gonna have we're gonna be able to have a very consistent stream schedule, which I'm so excited for, bro. I can't tell you how excited I am to have this, because it's been a minute since we've been able to have a consistent live stream schedule on my channel, and I cannot tell you how excited I am for that, bro. I really can't. I am pumped. I'm actually pumped for it, because now 5 days a week, Monday through Friday, we can be live every single freaking morning, in the mornings every day of the week, and not miss a day during the week. So I'm super pumped about that. And then once we end the live streams on my channel in the mornings, we just switch on over to TRADEIFY, hang out for a minute on TRADEIFY. And then if I'm not live on Ninja Trader in the afternoons, I can be live on my channel in the afternoons and rip some more Asia streams too. So listen, we're going to be streaming. I am all about the streams coming up. Next week is going to be obviously different because I'm going to be in Miami until Monday. And then I'll be in Miami until Monday. And then I stream Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday I got to go to St. Louis. So next week there will be only three morning streams. No, Tuesday, Wednesday, yeah, 3 morning streams on my channel next week. But there will be some Asia streams too. So we'll throw in some more streams. But the week after next, it's going to be just streams, baby. Stream. Mama Bear, what's up? Market Maker Mario says, "What you doing?" I don't even know what I'm doing. I'm just here. I'm just floating in the abyss. I don't even know, bro. I don't even know. But we doing it. We're here. Your life's gonna be like a Truman Show with all these streams. Holy, you bet, you bet. Gonna be. We're gonna be streaming. We're gonna be streaming, baby. I really want to build up the live streams. I've been enjoying the streams lately. Really want to build up the live streams. So we're gonna put absolute maximum effort in it, chat. Absolute maximum effort, you know? To the absolute maximum. Also, I did take a trade already before I hopped on stream. I took actually a short on NQ during this and caught a nice short. So my TRADEIFY accounts are up nice. I messed up on my copy trader and TradeSyncer. I had all of the accounts set to 3x ratio and one of them was set to 1. So I have 4 accounts that are up $700 off this open here tonight, and then 1 account up 200. So there's that. But we green, so we're gonna keep trading these prop firm accounts tonight and see. I'm not gonna touch my personal account tonight. I'm gonna let my personal account breathe, let it ride for a minute. But we're gonna trade the prop firm accounts tonight. See if we can't get them moving and grooving. We got some 150K select accounts with TRADEIFY that we're going to try to rip into oblivion. So that's the goal. That's the goal. Meanwhile, we're going to be looking at NASDAQ. We're going to be looking at gold. We're going to be looking at silver. We're going to look at all the stuff, chat. Absolutely all the stuff. I know G-Man has Bookmap being streamed in my Discord as we speak. For those not in Discord, link in the description. You know the deal, baby. Chat, how was y'all's day? Did y'all in green? Everybody in green? I know around about 7 or 8 or so, gold really probably going to start moving pretty nicely. Was green since last night. Didn't trade New York session. Holy. Yeah, I mean, I don't really remember the New York session, honestly. So much has happened in day chat. I feel like I've been all over the place. I've been on TRADEIFY stream. I've been on Ninja Trader stream. Now I'm on my own stream. I had content to shoot earlier. I don't even remember what happened today. Let's see. What do we do? During New York, we opened or we ripped during the open, and then we hung out during IB high pretty much the entire day. That's what it was. Rip off the open on NY and just hung out during IB high the entire day after pretty much like 9:40 in the morning. 9:40 Central time, we just sideways the entire day. Crazy. Mr. Bond says, someone said Asia. See, senor. I did. I said it. It was me. We're going to see if we get any moves or get any trades going on. Looks like we're going to be trading the TRADEIFY 150K select accounts, trying to get them built. We're coming for it all, chat. I am absolutely positively coming for it all. Chat, if y'all didn't see it already, we were green today. The green streak continues to live. It is alive and well. All right, green streak is alive and well. Looking to keep it that way this week. I know tomorrow is FOMC. I will be live on my channel tomorrow morning. And then I have Ninja Trader in the afternoon. Obviously, if we get any If we get any good, decent price action tomorrow before or maybe even after FOMC, I'll take a look at trading. Maybe I take a trade in personal account or so. I know I won't be trading Thursday and Friday, so if we trade tomorrow and have a green day, we'll have an entire green January because I won't be trading Thursday and Friday. So there's that. Crazy consistency. Yeah, it is, man. It is. It's definitely the best trading streak that I have been on. I've not been on a better one. I think my longest was like maybe 30 days, or no, not even that. It was like 2 weeks, a little over like 2.5 weeks or so that I had my like best green streak was. And now we're on a 42 day chat, 42-day green streak. We'll see. We'll see if we make it to 50. I'm not gonna push it, not gonna rush it. Just gonna continue doing what I'm doing that got me here. Continue doing what you do to when that got you here. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, baby. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Meanwhile, chat, who's trading silver? Anybody? Who's on the silver gang? Mama Bear? I bet you are. Gold kind of got this let me go to gold here. Gold kind of got a nice flag pattern going on here. Like to see some bullishness. Silver and gold. Holy G-Man says he's trading silver. So trader. Say, yeah, the silver is in my safe. Holy. You'd love to see it. Yeah, absolutely love to see it. You got a bunch of physical silver. You're sitting real pretty. Real pretty. Mama Bear's long silver now. Holy, let's take a little look at silver. Mama Bear, what's your entry? Mama Bear is long the silver. Looking at silver right now. I actually don't know. Can I trade silver with TRADEIFY? I actually don't know. Maybe? Can I? I think. I think I can. I don't know. Oh, only the mini. That's what it is. Yeah. Only minis. Just the minis if you dared. Don't do it. Yeah, facts. Yeah, no. I ain't touching no minis on silver, baby. I ain't touching no minis on silver. No Sirski, you ain't getting me. You ain't getting me, chat. No, sir. Throw on a mini on silver and its account blown in 0.5 seconds. You blink and your account's gone. It ain't gonna happen over here. That'd be the quickest way to blow up an account? Yeah, facts. It would be. It 100% would be. Degen, Spudnik. I started to play with the SIL minis. Very entertaining, holy. The potato. Mr. Potato Head. He's trading the minis on silver, holy. That's why he's a potato. That's why he's a potato. I would like a nice trade on oh wait, Mama Bear, your entry was 112, right? Yeah, okay. 112.4. Oh, you in the profit. Looking good. Real good. Let's pull gold back up here. I feel like gold's just gonna rip out of this flag eventually. I mean, we broke this low here, bought back above it. I feel like gold could just absolutely send it. I feel like it could. Part of me wants to long take a gold long, but we'll wait and see what happens. We shall wait and see. Little green so far. Hey, a little green is green, baby. A little green is green. Ideally, we catch a nice long on gold, chat. I'm long biased everything. Long biased everything, chat. We want to hop in longs and send everything to the absolute moon. Also, chat, I'm about to order some dinner. You know what I mean? Got some pizza coming. Holy. Gonna get some pizza ordered. Long NQ here. I'm not looking at NQ. I'm looking to go. Hold on. Let me look at gold. Or let me look at NQ. NQ is key. Oh no, NQ is up at the top here. I wouldn't long anything up here on NQ. Looking at gold though, I'm considering gold longs. Considering. You know what I mean, chat? Considering. Um I could be able to order a pizza delivery too far out in the sticks, holy. Oh no. Let me get this ordered real quick. Hard for you to take a long right now on gold. Yeah, it's I want a little more like I want to see it hold a little bit better, but I'm not opposed to taking a little longsky. All right, chat. Here's the question though for the bread, like for the cheese bread, because my son loves cheese bread, so we're gonna get some cheese bread. The cheese bread, do we get the cheesy bread or the pepperoni bread? Just got my SUV out of the snow. 0 shoveling for the win. Let's go. You'll love to see it. Cheesy bread? That's what I'm thinking too. Kind of what I'm thinking. Maybe with some double cheese, you know? Holy. What do we think, chat? Why not both? I could do both. Oh, we could. If pepperoni on the pizza, no. If not, yes. So I did get a pepperoni pizza, so we'll just do the cheesy bread. We'll do the cheesy bread with the extra cheese, bro. My wife, she wants some wings, so I'm getting her some wings. She getting some Parmesan wings. All right, we're gonna do one more thing here. Gold is still kind of just consolidating here at 159s. Nothing really to do there. All right. Pizza's ordered, chat. Holy. The pizza is ordered. You'll love to see it. Also, chat, my music library on YouTube, like my streams, it broke. I don't have any songs in there anymore, and I don't know why. So I can't play any background music for my stream, bro. I gotta go through and add like a whole new playlist. It's rather annoying because I had a pretty solid playlist. I was like, man, this is bumping, you know? It gave me some vibes. Now I got nothing. It broke? Yeah, it did. It absolutely broke. It just everything I deleted, I don't know how. It's like all the songs that I had in my library just don't even exist anymore. So I no longer have background music. I got to go through and build out a whole new playlist because YouTube decided to break on me. So annoying, Chad. It's so annoying. Also, chat, I need Best Buy to hurry up and get some more Meta AI glasses with the wristbands, right? The wristband that controls the glasses. I've been waiting forever on a wait list, and I have not gotten an email. And I'm trying to have the Meta glasses with the wrist control thing. I need them to hurry up because I was trying to have it before I went to Miami on Thursday. I've been in MGC short from 159, just 2 micros, stop above high day, first TP 125, then moved to stop break even, final TP 97.5. It keeps accepting price and the 1 hour FVG and has held the 5-minute FVG. Holy, that was a lot. Short from 159. Nice. Wait, not 159.1. Hopefully you get the move. Hopefully you get the move. 42-day green streak, brother. Yes, we're on a 42-day green streak. Buy it on Amazon. I can get, I mean, yeah, I can buy the glasses, but you can't buy the like the Meta AI glasses that have like the wrist band, like that like controls your, or you control the glasses with your wrist by doing certain movements with your thumb, fingers, wrist, whatever. You can't buy that on Amazon. You have to buy it in store. You have to schedule a demo first, right? And so you do a demo, which I already did a demo. They're freaking dope as hell. But you have to do a demo and buy them in store. You can't buy it on Amazon, unfortunately. It's annoying. You can buy the glasses on Amazon, but not the ones with the wrist control. Believe me, I tried. It comes with it. Now, if it does, I'm gonna be a little upset because I've been waiting all this time. All this time. I just typed in meat glasses. Holy. Yeah, you can't. They don't have the wrist control. Why do I feel like gold is gonna hold this and just absolutely rip it to oblivion? Chat, I really do. I really, really do. But it's moving so slow. It might just rip. Yeah, I think so. It's looking pretty juicy. At least the longs are looking pretty juicy. I don't know, baby. I don't know. The longs are looking juicy. And I want to be a part of it, you know? I really do. I want to be a part of it. We gotta be a part of it. Here's what we'll do. We'll do MGC. Then a minute. We could throw on 5 micros. 5 micros long. See what we get. But if we're gonna hold this, I want to be a part of it, you know? I want to be a part of it. I want to see us get back up to the VWAPski. I want to see it real bad. We're already nice and green on the night, so we have some room to work with, chat. We really do. We got some room to work with. So we're gonna rip this long here. Nice flag pattern on gold. Kind of trying to base out a little bit. We broke this low, saw some strength out of it, tried to come back down to it, saw more strength. Makes me feel like it wants to base out and hold this. If we can get a move above 166, above VWAP there, I'd be extremely happy. Extremely. You just gotta believe, chat. You just gotta believe. D-Nice Investing, holy. Welcome. Welcome. What are you doing on here during Asia? Are we trying to turn over a new leaf? You know what I mean? We're trying to get some new streams going. You know what I mean? With the morning streams, get some Asia streams in. Just throw out just start banging out streams, you know? Gonna start banging out streams. Not fond of fading your hot streak, but gotta stick to my plan. Oh yeah. I mean, don't let me run your trade. I mean, I could be wrong. I know, to be honest, also to be clear, my hot streak is in my personal account. I'm not trading my personal account today or tonight. I'm trading some 150K evals right now. My personal account's locked up. I won't touch my personal account. So, with that said, even if I'm red tonight, it's only in evals. So technically, you're not fading my hot streak. My hot streak is not even I'm not even trading the account that has the hot streak going. Just stick to your plan. If your plan tells you to do something, do it. Do it to it. I'd feel really good in this long though if we got above VWAP. I got one red on my personal and it was small. Now I say, let's go. As long as you keep the red small, baby, that is all that matters. Absolutely, positively all that matters. Do I mind giving you some advice? What kind of advice you want? Ask away. Are we lighting up the funny green stuff, the wacky tobacco green account? Holy. The green account, are you talking about my personal account that's nice and green? No, we ain't touching it. We're touching just some TRADEIFY 150k select evals. If gold will do me a solid and get above VWAP, I would be happy. Damn ads. Oh, damn, dude. I forget. I always forget to turn ads off for you guys. I don't know why. Hold on. Let me do that. Let me do that real quick. Let me do it. Let me turn it off for you. Here. Here you go. There, no more ads. Ads are turned off. That's on me. I'll take that on the chin there. I'll take it on the chin. Gold's moving up, chat. Oh, wait. What just happened to my shit? Hey, whoa, 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 whoa. Hold on. What just happened? There. There. You just sit there and be pretty. Just sit there and be pretty. All right, chat. Can we get above VWAP here? That would be ideal. Okay, so I keep self-sabotaging. Was up 7K on a funded and blew my profits. Then I went and draw down and made it back up 4K, then back break even and just repeating the cycle. It's because you don't know when to stop. You're addicted. That's what you're doing. You're just straight up addicted. You don't know when to stop. You gotta know when to call it. Like if you're up that much, why are you still trading? Right? Why? That's more than just a discipline problem. That is a identity crisis. You know, that's an identity crisis because you can't be happy with just the little things, right? And if you can't do that, you're not going to be disciplined enough to call it a day, right? It won't happen. You will not find yourself to be disciplined enough. Discipline follows when identity is fixed, right? Right now, your identity is telling you that you're just greedy and you're just addicted to trading and trading and trading and trading and trading. And as long as you're in that mindset, you're going to keep sabotaging your results, yourself, mental. It's going to be all bad. And so you got to fix that issue before discipline gets fixed, because discipline is a byproduct of that, of your identity and how you react yourself to big days, win or lose. So just my 2 cents. You can spend it how you want. All right. Meanwhile, gold is trying to get and stay above VWAP here. I would love for us to stay above. Continue to catch this rip to the upside. Gold, like I said, when gold gets on a ripper, it really gets on a ripper. And so if we can catch that, that would be beautiful. Beautiful. Again, we were just kind of basing out, holding all this down here. We made a new low here. We broke this low, right? And then caught strength, got above it, started basing out, trying to curl. Now it's just getting above VWAP and holding it. I think if buyers can do that, get us up to like the 70s, I think things are going to look really good. But it's getting and staying above VWAP that's going to be the problem. Be nice. You got it, dude. I mean, look, it's part of it, man. It's part of being a trader and adapting to your not only the markets but to yourself. You know? Knowing where you're wrong and what you need to fix. The back and forth is very exhausting, dude. I've been there. Trust me. There's nothing more exhausting than being up a lot, then down a lot, and then up a lot and down a lot, back to break even, having to get it all back and losing the account and starting all over. There is nothing more exhausting, bro. And trust me, I have absolutely been there. All right, Chad, we're gonna add to our position on this pullback here. Looking decent. Looking decent. Again, we just need to get back above the VWAP ski. Get back above VWAP, which we're looking real good. Real good. Real good. Get this strong push to the upside here. Strong push, baby. Strong push. Here we go. Let's get a strong push back up to the 70s, chat. What do we think? Don't reject VWAP again. Keep it moving. Keep it moving. We're in 8 micros total here on gold. We got to start our position. Started with 5 micros, caught a pullback, and added 3 more off this pullback. Looking decent here. Again, just got to send it. Got to send it to the 70s. We got to send it to the 70s, baby. I think we can get 70s. I think we can do it. Think it's possible, chat. I think we can catch a trade into absolute oblivion, chat. Look at it. Just look at it. Get the strength, continue to move up here. Tell you what we'll also do. The smart thing. We'll get ready to trim here in just a moment. Get ready to trim here in just a moment. We'll trim it. All right, now we're only in 4. Trimmed half. Now we just have 4 riding. These 4 will go to break even. And we just let it go, chat. And just like that, baby. Just like that, destiny has been written. It is logged. Absolutely logged. So now if it comes down and stops me out at break even, we'll still have made profit on 4 micros there for I think a total of 300 or so. 250 maybe. So either way, if these final 4 get stopped out at break even, we will still have made money. So that's how you do it, chat. That's how you do it. Hopefully this thing just keeps ripping. I mean, I'm gonna let these 4 just go. So if this thing can just keep on ripping, look, we good. We are absolutely good. Again, I'd like to see us go up into 70s. 70s would be like, get me up to 74. Man, I'd be happy with 74s. Oh wait, where's my pizza at? I gotta check on the pizza. Hold on. Oh, the pizza's on the way. Chat, the pizza is on the way, baby. Holy, we're gonna be eating pizza and making money. We're gonna be eating pizza and making money, baby. All right, D-Nice, how's it going, bro? Thanks for coming through. Appreciate you. Chat, can we get 74s? What do you think? What do you think, chat? 74s? We're above VWAP. Just gotta hold the strength here. Thanks for the straight advice. You got it, D-Nice. You got it, brother. Hopefully it was useful and you can take it and run with it. Traders Nest, good evening. Hola. I'm doing well. We got some pizza on the way, about to eat some pizza and make some money at the same time. So that's the plan. Shanghai metals market opens in 10 minutes. You might get a good push then. I hope so. I would love that. I would love nothing more. Evening stream, amazing. Yes, sir. Holy. We trying to pump out some streams. Gold pulling back a little bit. Not what you want to see. Gotta hold above VWAP here. Hold above VWAP. Take me to 74s. Wait, was my volume really low, chat? Just turn it up a little bit. Just turned it up a little bit. Silver got a big push up. Holy, then send gold for me. Look, if silver's getting a push, give me a nice gold push. We need it, baby. We absolutely need it. Winning streak still alive and strong. You're absolutely correct. The winning streak is alive and strong. All right, there's a push into 70, chat. We got to push into 70. Now we got to get a push into 74s. All right. We got to get a push into 74s. That's what we're looking for. I think we can get it, though. Things are looking real bullish, chat. Things are looking real bullish. Can you take me higher? There's 71s. Oh, baby, chat, let it go. Let it go. Holy moly. Gold. Gold. We're up to 72s, chat. 72s. Can we get through 74s, chat? If I can get a big push through 74s, I'll move my stop up there. That's what we're looking for. A big push through 74s. We're going to move the stop. Trying to get above 74s here. I think we can do it. Surely we can do it. Surely we can do it. You can do it. Pushing here. Pushing, pushing, pushing. Come on, pop these 74s, baby. Pop these 74s. Oh, you love to see it. Okay, we got to 75, chat. I'm going to go ahead and move this up here. There we go. We're going to trail tightly now. Yeah, baby. Holy. Send it for me. Send it for me. Absolutely just send it for me. My stop's at 74, chat. Holy moly. Now that we pop 74s, my stop is now in profit at 74. We'll clock a banger trade here. Clock an absolute banger trade, chat. See if it gives me any more. I'm cool if it does stop me out though, because we've gotten some serious profit from this trade. Serious profit. Come on. What are we gonna do here? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? All right, we're out of 2 there. I'm just gonna take it all off. Taking it all off, chat. I didn't realize my stop was only 2 contracts in profit there, so we took the rest off. Bang, there it is, chat. We're up $1,300 tonight already. We were up $1,300 in each of the accounts, except for one of the accounts. It's kind of a banger night, chat, huh? Holy. We got it out the way early. Got it out the way early. Chat, pizza's delivered. Give me a second. I'll be right back. Just give him some cheese bread to eat. Something. Just cut it up really small so he doesn't choke on it. All right, we back. We back. Beautiful trade. Just passed 3 accounts. Holy, you love to see it. You love to see it. Yeah, that was a banger trade, dude. An absolute banger. Nice starting off the night on a trade like that. Because I also haven't traded Asia session really that much. So to come into Asia session and have that, oh, look at this. Look at gold getting melted, bro. What an exit. Chat, what an exit, bro. Holy. Gold getting melted off this open here. It's like the market opened all over again at 8. Facts. Yeah, that was an interesting open there for the Shanghai metals. Super glad we exited our trade, chat. Holy. I'm trading the 426 gold contract. It's GCG6 for the mini, or the MGC G6 for gold. Or for micro, rather. It's right here. The contract I'm trading is right here. Wow, now it's pumping again. Now it's absolutely pumping. Did anyone have any problem with Apex where they removed money from account due to hedging? I have 3 synced accounts. They removed money from 2 blaming for hedging. Use Replicanto. Wow, look at this pump, chat. Holy. I haven't heard anything on that. I haven't heard anything about it. Joey, is that pizza restaurant pizza or Domino's? It's a place here called Marco's. It's really good. They have super good pizza. Made by Italian? No. Mm-mm. No, it ain't that good. I wish. I absolutely wish. Wow. Gold is absolutely ripping, bro. Look at it go. Now I hate that I exited my trade. Now I hate that I'm out of my trade, chat. What the hell? The FOMO. I'm spoiled with the pizza places I have near me. Yeah, because you're in New York. Right? New York? I think so. Yeah. U and G, man. The pizza in New York is just heavenly, bro. Just stop in a little shop, get a slice, you know? Carry on with your day. Mario, what's the best pizza place you have there? Curious what you say. What's the go-to pizza place in New York? Gold is ripping all-time highs here. That's crazy. Johnny's Pizza, says Mama Bear. There are many all over Long Island. Look, I went to a place, I don't know how good it is compared to all the other places y'all, you locals up there have, but the place I went to was Little Italy. Heard it was good. Tried it, pretty good. Giorgio's. Yeah, Giorgio's just sounds good. Wow, look at the sellers coming through here. Don't mind me, chat. I'm just stuffing my face. It's dinner time, bro. I'm gonna rip some Asia streams. You best believe I'm gonna be eating. Hello, Joey. 2:12 a or yeah, 2:12 a.m. from France. Holy. Bro's up late. Wow, sellers really dropped us here. Chat shorts. Anybody? Short gold. One of my favorite is actually in Yonkers. Frank Pete's outside of the city. Coal ovens. Holy, that sounds fire. Literally. That sounds absolutely fire. It'll pop back up. Yeah, it might. Good. I don't know. That's a lot of weakness. That was an 18-point drop. Maybe a little more than that, actually. 198. 171. That was a big drop on gold there. Maybe we take a short. I don't know. I'm not opposed. Rip all-time highs, catch weakness. Or does it pop all the way back up? At Tommy's Pizza here where you live, the best in the... Oh, baby. Holy. Trying to come out there then. Let me catch a flight real quick. When I get back from Miami, I'll just fly out to the Bronx. Man, I'm considering a short really bad. Too cold in NY. I know, dude. I wouldn't mind living out near New York, like near New York. It wasn't so damn brutal in the wintertime, bro. Y'all's winters are like insane. Hey, let's go, G-Man. You love to see it. G-Man gonna catch up to me. Fairbanks? Where's that? Oh, Alaska. Hell no. No, they can keep all that. Is there really a period where it doesn't get daylight in Alaska? Like y'all have a period of dark? How long? Man, I'm ripping a short, chap. 3 micros short. Can't help it. I won the short. You'd love to visit Alaska? Not me. It really fucks with you? Yeah, I bet it does. I bet it does. Chat, we're going to rip a 3 micro short here. Now I need gold to drop it like it's hot, chat. My mouth is freaking hot. This pizza was spicy as shit, bro. Holy. Woo! This pizza had Carolina peppers on it, bro. Ay, ay, ay. My mouth is on fire. It's hot. It's hot, chat. Holy. I'm gonna start sweating over here. Got this big ass light beaming me in the face, and my mouth's on fire from the pizza, and everything's just hot. This trade's hot, the light's hot, the pizza's hot. Everything hot. About to start sweating, freaking out. Chat, y'all ever get claustrophobic when you're hot? Bro. Did my son eat the cheese bread? Yeah, he's eating it right now. What do you think a TP will be at? Below VWAP, somewhere. I'm just letting it ride. I'm just gonna try to let it ride. Three micros deep. What I will do is set a T or a stop loss up here. That way gold doesn't try to rip my face off, you know? It's the last thing I want to happen. Have some more buyers stepping in here. Not what we want to see. We got to see sellers continue to drive us lower. But the buyers are trying to step back in here. See if sellers can hold it. I'd love to see VWAP come into play. Give me the VWAP. Dang, we've already been live for over an hour, chat. What the hell? What the hell, chat? It's crazy. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Buyers aren't looking. They might come tap me on this one, chat. I might be RIP'd on this trade. Stops at 91. We might get TKO'd on this one, chat. Gold trying to get rippy again. Time flies when you're having fun making money. Holy, you're absolutely correct. Absolutely, positively correct. Yo necesito VWAP. Por favor. Mr. 45 special. Hello. Made me laugh. Wow, I thought I was What a surprise to see you on at this time. What's up, JT? Were you laughing at me, G-Man? Hold on now. Yo puedo hablar español. Come on, sellers, give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Can we get it? Get better? Yeah, we getting there. I'm in it 4 hours a day. I'd hope so. I'd hope so. If I was spending 4 hours a day not getting better, I would be a little bit worried. I do remember. And the whole platform debacle happened and lost 4 accounts. Holy Jesus. Seems like trading takes longer to get good at than most other things I've tried. Yes, trading is very hard. It takes a lot longer to get good at trading than pretty much anything else. Trading is very hard. Muy difícil. Anthony, what's up? They wanted a recording? Yikes. You keep the trade when Shanghai opens is dangerous? Yeah, no, I don't keep it open. I closed my trade before all that happened. Now I'm back in trying to catch a short here down to the VWAP. Thank God the Rams are out because every time I see Stafford, it reminds me of Patak. Oh no. Oh no. Gold, god dang it, bro. Stop it. Quit playing with my feelings. Quit playing with my feelings. Oh, I think it's Kevin Hart right now. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Yeah, I was talking about the metals, like long, because the metals have a different open. Gold is saying you're not down with Gold is saying I'm not down with the GS unit. Well, Gold need to just chill the F out and give me my money. Give me my money. I'm right, the market's wrong, okay? That's how this goes. I'm right, market's wrong. I don't want to hear anything else about it. Anthony, I got you. Oh yeah, we got tapped out there. Okay, we tapped. So what are we up tonight? We are up 1,100, chat. So we're still up 1,100 on the night. Congrats on the steak. Thanks. Medium rare. Way to go. No, I got you. Yeah, congrats on the streak. Thank you. Yeah, 42 days, bro. 42. We vibing. We vibing. It is gold is just catching the bid, baby, catching the bid. My mouth's on fire, chat. Muy caliente. Yo tengo que beber la agua. We looking at 10K by end of year. What do you think? Holy, I don't know. Maybe that'd be insane. Talking about for gold? I don't know about 10K. Maybe. I guess it could. I don't know. I wouldn't think so. Most, I think a lot of the banks that are bullish on gold have it like at 6,000 by end of year. Wait, it's moving to be 6K by Valentine's Day? It might be. It very well could be. It very well could be, baby. Holy chat. If you're new here, you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We're live daily, baby. We're live daily in the AMs. Gonna be live more in the Asia times too, holy. Trying to rip some Asia streams with you guys. We have a powerful community, bunch of dope ass people. Link in the description, join Discord. I sell you absolutely nothing. Chat knows it. Everybody knows it. I sell you absolutely nothing in my Discord. I have nothing to sell you. We all just chill, vibe, have fun, learn trading, and make some fucking money, baby. That's what we do. Everybody in this community is going to be day trading millionaires, bro. I believe it. I believe it. Everybody in this community is going to make a milli. I believe in you guys, man. I really do. I really do. I believe, baby. People waking up to the worthless USD, holy. Maybe. I swear, bro, if gold sends it to VWAP now, I'm going to fight. Chat, y'all are going to see me fight. Sam says, let's go, baby, holy. Chat, y'all are absolutely going to see me fight if gold goes down to VWAP, bro. I'm telling you. Is this real? Are you online? Holy Amar. We here, baby. We are absolutely here. Ripping an incredible Asia stream. Currently, we're up a 1,100 chat. Got to watch your 2-hour training video. Listen, if you got 2 hours to spare, it's a good watch. It's a good watch. Covers everything from the base, the boring stuff, right? It's boring. You know what I mean? It's boring. The mental side of trading, the psychology side of trading, it's all boring, but you learn a lot from it, right? We start with that. I go over some strategy stuff too that I do. Look, I mean, it's a good 2 hours. It's free. It's fucking free, right? What's in that video is like what people usually charge thousands of dollars for, you know? What amount of money did you start for your personal live futures account? I started with 25,000. We're up to, believe it or not, chat. Listen, we started. I'll look at the rip here. Oh, look at the rip on gold. We started the account with 25,000. I traded the account, built, made some money in it. I took a $20,000 payout from TRADEIFY. and I put that $20,000 into it as well. So total deposited is like 45,000. Yeah, 45,000. Now, payout with TRADEIFY is still a trading profit. So I like to count that as trading profits because I did trade the accounts I got a payout from trading. So 25,000 came out of my bank account, right? To fund it, to get it started. I made money with TRADEIFY, put it in from trading, right? And I've continued to grow the account since then, right? And so now my account has gone from $25,000 to now $74,000. It's pretty incredible, chat. Pretty incredible. Hit 100K yet? No, we're close. We're close. We're close. We're 26K off from the account reaching 100K. I mean, we'll do it. I mean, I'm not taking a payout out of it, chat. I've only taken one payout out of the accounts. Technically, if I didn't take a payout from it, it would be at $76,000. But I did pull out $2,000. I will say that. I did pull out $2,000 to pay for something. So technically, it would be at 76,000 if I didn't do that. But right now we're sitting at 74 because I pulled 2K from it. $3X, yeah. I mean, it's pretty good. Compounding, yep. Compounding. Listen, I'm not rushing it, man. I'm not rushing it. We're gonna grow the account to 100K. We are gonna take the account to 100K, no doubt about it. I will pay once I get my personal account to 100K, chat. I will pay myself anything after 100K. And then the only thing that I'll keep depositing in there and keeping it in is prop firm payouts, right? So that's my plan, chat. Like I get the account to 100K, and then anything after 100K, I just pay myself. But if I get money from prop firm payouts, I'm just gonna put the prop firm money in the personal account. So then say I get a 20K payout from TRADEIFY, I would put that in the personal. My personal account would then be at 120,000. And so then anything after 120K, I would just pay myself, right? And so prop firm payouts just continue to go into the personal, right? And then I pay myself anything that's after that balance that I put in. So that's basically it. Look at gold ripping, bro. Gold's up to 5,200, dude. Holy shit. That's insane. That is absolutely insane. As a reminder, chat, so again, if you are new, hit that subscribe button. We're going to be live every single morning on this channel, and we're going to rip some Asia streams as well. So if you're not sub, be sure to do that. But also, we are going to be live on TRADEIFY stream 4 days a week from 10:30 Central Time to 11:30 Central Time. So we're going to rip a stream on TRADEIFY as well, 4 days a week. But 5 days a week, we'll be live here in the mornings. And then we're going to rip some Asia streams as well, so. Hell yeah, baby. NQ all-time high today? What's NQ? I haven't even looked at NQ. I've been watching Gold. Me and Gold in a toxic relationship with each other right now. Wow. Holy shit. What happened to NQ? NQ ripping. Let's see. What is all-time high on NQ, chat? Do we know? Here it is right here. All-time high NQ is 26,399. 26,399 for all-time highs on NQ. Is that right? That doesn't sound right. Is that right, chat? Yeah, that's right. $3.99. So it almost kind of seems inevitable that we go make an all-time high on NASDAQ, at some point this week. At this pace, probably, yeah. I mean, we very well could. Silver following, yeah. Silver's been ripping too. Let's see. Silver's on a massive rip. We have all-time high on silver at, what is that, 117? Wait, hold on. Yeah, 117.7. Silver on a massive rip, dude. We're trading 113s right now on silver. God, I would love to be in like a swing trade on silver, dude. I really would. I really would love to be in a long swing trade on silver, but I just don't like it up here. I really don't. It makes me nervous trading silver above 100. Above 100 on silver, I just can't, bro. I can't justify it. I really can't. Thought it was 640 or 648.50. I don't know. Is it? For an NQ or what? I have for NQ, I have 26,399. Can I zoom in on can I zoom in on NQ? Yeah. We're on the 5-minute time frame here on NQ. What is he trading? I'm trading futures. Markets are open. Yeah, markets are open. Welcome, Azam. Markets are open, baby. The world's conducting business. I'm new to this. What hours does it operate? Futures, they're like 23.7. No, 23.5, right? 23. Is it 23.5? Am I right on that? 23.5, I think so. Yeah. 23.5, baby. You're in silver calls. Holy, nice. I mean, listen, I don't know what your average entry is, but if you're in silver calls, you are absolutely just bankrolling on silver right now, baby. Holy, you'll love to see it. Love to see it. Let's go take a look at gold again, real quick. Look at gold, bro. Gold is absolutely flying high. That is crazy. Gold absolutely flying high. Joey, do you just go around finding the best instrument for your next setup, or do you usually trade the same thing? So I got something for you on that, actually. So I used to trade NQ only, right? NQ only, I used to trade it. I was married to it. If I didn't see a setup, I didn't trade, right? I'm to a point now in my trading to where I am trying to diversify a little bit, where it's like, if NQ isn't giving me something, I'm trying to really learn and hone in on gold, right? Or hone in on oil or the Dow, right? I'm trying to get better at being diversified to where I know exactly how those instruments move. And now it's like, how can I find setups on those? So like before, yes, I used to only trade NQ. Now I am looking at other instruments to find setups. That way, if one instrument isn't giving me what I want, then I'm going to be able to find something else elsewhere. Oops. Check Discord. Okay, let me look at Discord real quick. Speaking of chat, if you're not in Discord, link in the description. Oh, Mario. Now I'm confused, bro. What the hell? Hold on. Now you got me all confused, Mario. Wait, no, you're right. Yeah, okay, yeah. So I was looking at NQ1. So you're looking at you're looking at the March contract. That's why. Yeah, that's why. Oh, you're right. It is 26,670. Yeah. You are correct. That's on me. That is on me. I was looking at NQ1. Gold's going to 6K tonight? Holy shit. Are we sure about that? are we absolutely positive about that? Can we confirm? How do we confirm this, huh? If it goes to 6K tonight, I'll see you in Jan. We need to travel back in time and buy gold, bro. Holy. You love YM? Dude, Market Maker Mario is a YM professional. That dude makes a milli on YM like daily, bro. Like if there was any course on trading YM, I would buy it for Mario. No matter the price tag. Like if Market Maker Mario came out with a YM course tomorrow, like my credit card is on the desk ready to be used. Nice, Zimse. Holy. GG's. I have to figure out how to teach first. Teaching is a whole other ballgame. Like coaching calls and all that stuff. It really is so different. It's very different. For the time period that I did coaching calls, man, they're tough because you got to like develop game plans for certain individual people that are all different and all have like different emotional tolerances, mental capacity. And so you have to develop and like build out plans that match so many different people. It's dude, it's so hard. Coaching is like a very hard thing to do. I think that's why like I kind of stopped doing it because I was like, man, like I tested the waters with it. I was like, you know what, we're gonna try this and we'll test the waters. And I had some people have success inside the coaching program. Some people had some good success inside of it. Got some people got their first payouts. Some people got made a lot of money. I won't mention names or amounts, but um, we had some good success in it. But I just don't know that I can go back to it. It was fun to do it and just kind of test the waters with it. I think maybe I could go back to doing like coaching programs or something, but I don't think I would do it until my personal account reaches 100K because then I would have grown a $25,000 personal account to 100K and feel more so like I have something to offer. Even though I feel like I have something to offer now, I think I want to build up a little more. But before I would get back into coaching. What were your biggest struggles first starting out with your 25K futures live account? I think the biggest struggle starting a personal account was at first it was, it's my own money, right? I'm trading my own money. I think once you get over that hurdle mentally, it becomes second nature. Like, I mean, you just don't even realize or know or think about it being your own money. And Mario, maybe you can agree, attest to that. But it's like once you start the account and then you build a buffer, a decent size buffer, you don't even really think about it being your own money anymore. At first you do, but then that goes away pretty quickly when you build a buffer, you're in the positive and you've grown the account. From there, it just becomes numbers on a screen. That's really it. Mario, maybe you feel the same, but it really does just become numbers once you've built up a buffer in it. But I just started trading trading it small. Like once I started it, I started very small. A few micros here and there, got some profit under my belt and built it a little bit, started scaling up. Now I trade minis in it. I don't trade micros in it anymore unless we get a really volatile day, but now I more so trade minis inside the account. So, like I said, it gets better. It goes away. The mental block on trading it goes away, I would say. I trade now says, hello, Joey fucking Morgan. First time seeing you live aside from TRADEIFY holiday. Welcome, baby. Welcome. This is the first Asia stream that we've done. Have I ever done an Asia stream chat? I don't know that I've ever done one. Maybe I have like once or twice, but that's like really it. In the beginning, I did some what's up, Sophia? And cuting to blow the top off. Holy. You do minis on YM. Max is 8. I did. I guess yeah. I think I did do like do some of them. I would like to do more. I mean, Asia streams are fun. It's in the evening time. It's all chill. We just vibe out. It's 4 a.m. here and I can't sleep because I like to stream. Holiday. Well, I appreciate it. Appreciate it. Appreciate you being here, even though you should be sleeping at 4 a.m. I'd be sleeping at 4 a.m. Fuck anybody else. I would not be on it. I would not be on anybody's stream, bro. I would be chat. Listen, I'm out. 4 a.m. Look, you ain't gonna hear from me. I ain't even gonna exist at 4 a.m. Dude, I'm toast. So, Chris, I appreciate you being here at 4 a.m. your time, dude. 4 a.m. Where do you even live? You across the pond. To be honest, dude, I think I have more fun with Asia streams than I do morning streams. I don't know. Maybe it's because I have like a little bit more energy. I don't know. EU, it's 3 a.m. there. Holy. Chris Trader's from Romania, Europe. Wowzers. Wowzers. We got Belgium in the house. Holy. The unmotivated just subscribed. I like your vibe, baby. Holy, welcome. You're, trust me when I say this, you're in one of the coolest communities, man. Coolest communities. The thing about this community, bro, is we have just no BS and no drama over here. You know what I mean? You hop on Twitter and you see all this drama shit. You see all people like, going down each other's throats and saying, "Oh, you're a scam and you're a scam," and everybody this and that. I'm just like, bro, I'm just here to make some money, bro. I'm just here to make some money. That's all I want to do. I don't want to get involved. I want to make my money. Right. And that's the cool thing about this community, man, is that everybody here is on that path. Like everybody here is down, chill, just here to make some money, baby. That's all we want to do. Just take our piece of the pie. So you're part of the cool. You're now part of one of the best communities, bro. G-Man says, bring Jama, you get the hammer. Bro, G-Man got a mean swing with that Thor hammer, baby. He got a mean swing. Got the mean swing. I got Twitter. I get on Twitter when I want to put my feet up and eat popcorn. Exactly. Exactly, bro. Exactly. I agree. First on this channel. That's a vibe. Appreciate you, Zimsei. You stick to NQ mainly, correct? So yeah, I would say more so, but I am diversifying a little bit. I kind of talked about this earlier. I used to main like only trade NQ only, and I've gotten to a point now in my trading career where it's like I'm diversifying a little bit, where I'm now looking at gold, I'm looking at oil or YM, and finding setups that match my trading, right? And so I am diversifying a little bit. So I would say if I had to say where my trading is split, it would be between NQ and gold, probably with a little more emphasis still on NQ, but you get the point. I would say like during the day, I mainly trade NQ, and then during the night, if I take any trades during the night or Asia, it's usually on gold. But I'm not opposed to taking trades on gold during the day either. No, so kind of depends. Kind of depends. I stick to the same setups on both. Yeah, I do. I don't change a thing. I will say, like, I have a pretty particular strategy, right, when it comes to initial balance, and I would say I more so trade IB on NQ. With gold, it's a little different. I would say I don't really take many IB trades on gold, mainly because I'm usually trading gold like at night. But with gold, I really look for key levels on higher time frames. So like I'll look at like 15 minutes, 30 minutes. I'll look at key levels there and wait for reactions off those levels. And so if I get that, obviously there's a little bit more discretion involved with trading off key levels like that. It's not as systematic as like what my IB trades are. But that's my approach to gold. And so far it's worked well for me. So that's just kind of what I've stuck to. What actually happened to Funny Tick is seeing one of the good ones in the beginning. Yeah, it always seems like a good one. That's the thing with new prop firms, chat, is they're always the good one. You know what I mean? Any new prop firm, chat, here's where people go wrong in prop firms, and this is what prop firms go wrong with, is the prop firm industry is now so big and so competitive that a new firm coming out and offering something that's of similarity to the current plans out there, they wouldn't gain any market share, right? But when newer firms come in and they're the new kids on the block, they have to offer something that's far more appealing than what anybody else in their competitive lane has. And so they come out with these unsustainable plans, and they know it's unsustainable. That's the thing, is they know it's unsustainable, but they have to do it because they have to gain market share somehow. And that's their way of gaining market share in the prop firm space. And that's why you see all the prop firms that do come out, all the new prop firms that do come out and have those crazy good looking plans. That's why you see the rule changes, because they gain a little bit of market share. They got traders in the door. Now they have to start making the plans a little bit more realistic for the firm to be sustainable, right? And you also take into account too, like traders have gotten very good at trading prop now, right? It's been around for some time. Traders have gotten used to it. Traders are now getting good at prop firms. And so you factor traders that can trade and getting money on top of the competition that's already here in the space. It's brutal for new firms. It really is. It's not easy. It's not, I mean, unless you're one of the top dogs, it is not easy to do. So, but that's why you see all like the rule changes and retroactive rule changes, because they have to have something that is super eye appealing and is the too good to be true to gain market share, get traders in the door, right? Get a reputation of having the best plan on the market, and then change the rules, right? Because traders, when you change the rules, traders are only going to be mad for a day or two, right? Have you noticed that when prop firms, when rules get changed, it's not in favor of the trader. There will be like discussion about it on Twitter. People will get pissed off. There will be YouTube videos about it, but then a couple of days later, it's business as usual, right? No one's mad anymore, right? So prop firms only take a hit like a day or two after they change, after they do like retroactive rule changes or any rule changes, because traders go right back to it. That's usually what happens. But that's why you see prop firms go under usually, is because either one, they're poorly ran, they're not operated by somebody who should be operating a prop firm, or two, they just can't sustain the competition that's already out there, along with the day traders that can make money and know how to trade. FT only required 2,500 to pass 50K eval. Yeah. Yeah, that's part of it basically, right? I mean, that's part of offering, something that's unsustainable. I think somebody else has 2,500 actually to pass. It's wait, what's actually no wait, in eval. No, eval, that's not an unsustainable plan. That's not an unsustainable plan. 2,500 and a 50K. I think someone else offers that. Wait, is it TRADEIFY? Does TRADEIFY offer that? I think they do in the select plan, right? Hold on, let's see. Oh yeah, they do. In the select plan, they offer it. But the thing with TRADEIFY though is they're not a new firm. They have captured a shit ton of market share, chat. A shit ton. So they can afford to do plans that are like that, right? Most new firms that come out can't afford that because they'll get blown out of the water. But TRADEIFY, having the market share that they have and the reputation, they can afford to have a better plan and still be sustainable, right? So How is the liquidity at TRADEIFY? Can they keep paying the traders? Listen, I've seen the growth of TRADEIFY. I've seen the back end. I've seen the numbers. Okay, so obviously I can't go into much detail because I can't. I'm not going to do that. But I will say, being a partner at TRADEIFY and being part of their team, right? Their numbers are fucking amazing. I'll just leave it at that. I'll leave it at that. December, when they, especially from December, when they release the select plans, I saw the growth. I saw the growth chart, and it's incredible. It's incredible. TRADEIFY is a top dog for a reason. They do marketing the right way. Yeah, they do. 100%. What's up, Miss K? How you doing, baby? She says, "What is this, Jay? What is this? What you mean, girl? What you mean? What is this?" What's gold? Gold is still trading. It's 5,200. Just up there chilling. Nasdaq continuing its bullishness here. Still trying to wait. Hold on. Wait, I'm on the wrong chart here. Let me rephrase that. Oh yeah, Nasdaq's still trying to get bullish here. Nasdaq getting bullish. Gold's bullish. Everything bullish, chat. A little confused. Can you do a quick breakdown on TRADEIFY system? I use live, but thought about funded. Once I pass the eval and funded, do I have to pass the eval after my payout or after a drawdown? Okay, wait a minute. I use live, but thought about funded. Once I pass a eval and funded, do I have to pass a eval after my payout or after a drawdown? Okay, if I'm understanding your question right, in the straight to funded, correct? Because they have straight to funded, so I'm assuming I'm just going to hit on both. If you do straight to funded, you don't have any eval, no matter what, right? No matter what happens, you go and draw down, make money, get a payout. There is no eval attached. Now, if you go the eval route, which is either the select plans or the growth plans, all you do is take one eval, pass the account, and you go straight and you go funded, right? Then all you have to do in those accounts is just get past the buffer to then get a payout. But you don't go, if you get a payout, you don't go back to eval, or if you go and draw down, you don't go back to eval unless you go in so much drawdown that blows the account. But you only have to do an eval once, right, to get to the funded, and if you stay funded, you won't do an eval again. You only do an eval, if you blow the eval you're currently in, or you get funded and you blow the funded. Hopefully that answered your question. Do you think trading one pair is the best thing when it comes to new traders? Absolutely. I to be honest, I can't stress that enough. I think trading one pair, if you're a newer trader, I would only stick to one thing, right? Whether that's NQ, gold, ES, whatever. I wouldn't trade more, right? Because if you're a newer trader, you really need to find something and hone in on your skill and strategy and find one instrument that you can. Now, I don't want to say master. I'm going to say master, but in quotes, because nobody's ever really a master. But find one instrument where you can really like hone in on the type of movement that it has and build a strategy around it. Because if you're a newer trader and you're looking at other markets and other instruments, they all move so different, right? And the NQ is way more volatile than the ES, right? Gold sometimes isn't as volatile, but can be volatile during the night or can have its own spikes. You just you have to learn different movements, right? And as a newer trader, that can be a hard thing because you don't even really know what works for you, right? So not having a strategy that works or not knowing what works for you as a trader, you're definitely probably not going to find it if you're spreading yourself too thin with other markets, right? Hone in on one, get really good at one and really good at strategy with that one, and then start to diversify. That would be the best route to take. Chat, time flies when you're having a good stream, man. Holy, we've been live for over 2 hours. I didn't even realize it. Time flies when you have a good stream. But chat, I am gonna get ready to shut it down. I'm gonna get ready and go to bed. That way I can get up and stream in the morning for you guys. So I appreciate you guys hanging around, man. We've been live for 2 hours on the Asia stream, but this was actually really fun. We're gonna do more Asia streams. I had a blast doing this. We took some trades, had some good trades. This was good. We're gonna do it again. We're nice and green. We're up $1,100 tonight, chat, from the gold, the trades we took on gold there. So this was a killer stream. Thank you guys for tuning in. If you're not already subbed, hit that sub button to catch the next live streams. We put out content all the time. But if you find that one instrument is not working, don't hesitate to try another one. Example, yeah, 100%, 100% agree, 100% agree. All right, chat. I will see you guys tomorrow morning, baby, live right here on YouTube.